So I received a question regarding silhouette settings on when you used our sticker papers, plus you will put a cold laminate on top. So it's going to be kind of thick. So one of my customers asked me, "Hi, any chance you know what setting I should use for my silhouette cutting machine? I've been struggling to cut through your sticker paper with cold laminate on top." So I will share to you now how to do a die cut in silhouette using our sticker paper. So if you use the glossy waterproof sticker paper or the matte waterproof sticker paper, then you place any cold laminate on top. So it's going to be thick. So I will show you how to do a die cut in Silhouette Studio, so that you will get the die cut output. This is the sample die cut output. So it's totally removed from the mat. This is what you call a die cut. So this is a sticker paper with cold laminate on top, which is, this one is glitter, then this one is star. Okay, so this is the sticker design that we will be cutting. So sometimes silhouette really is glitching and not showing the correct images, but assuming that I'm going to cut this and I'm done printing this sheet, so I will click send here. Then I make sure that the red line color is selected, this one. Now for the material, I will be using this cardstock adhesive back. So it's because since it's thick sticker paper plus cold laminate, then the action is cut. Then we will use the auto blade. So for the force, usually I use 38, 35 to 38 is just the number that I use. I have experimented, so 38. Then the speed, I want it to be fast, so 8. If you want it to be slower, you can use 5 or 6. If the image is a bit complicated, which requires a lot of turns, you might want to slow it down so that the cutting will be precise. So for the blade, I will run this with 8 or 9 for the blade. Then this is the important part, the passes. So you need to make it into 2 so that the blade will run through the image 2 times. Because if it's only 1 time, it will not cut through. So this is the most important part. It needs to run through 2 times. So yeah, so after that, we are all set. So the material must be cardstock adhesive back, cut, auto blade. Then it must be 30, 33, 35, 38 in 30s. Then for the speed, I want it to be fast, so 8. Then for this blade here setting, I'm going to use 8 or 9. Then you're ready to cut. Just make sure that your cutter is online, then you can send it.